All right. All right, so I'm gonna call his case right now. Yep, I was gonna say I'm ready.
How y'all doing today?
I'm fine, how about you?
All right.
Good. Now calling the matter of the people versus Keith Williams. This is ticket SP 8656. Count one, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count two, open alcohol in a motor vehicle. Also calling U ticket 65686623. One count of the narcotic and drug violations. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appearing on behalf of Keith Williams.
And Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Keith Williams.
All right. How are we proceeding today, counsel?
Your Honor, it's my understanding that my client and I have had a breakdown in the attorney-client relationship, and I am motioning for a withdrawal based on my client's request.
All right. Well, how long will it take you to get a counsel, sir?
Well, you didn't ask me about the counsel when y'all asked me about the agreement.
Okay. So
I don't want him in the picture.
Okay. So how long will it take you to appoint to get counsel for yourself?
Well, I wasn't getting the counsel when you asked me.
You were just gonna do it online with whoever was there?
No.
Is that how it was gonna be?
No. So
okay.
You asked me to take the 2 counts, plead guilty.
Right. They made an offer that you would plead guilty to do 2 counts. Okay.
So he wasn't in the picture then, so I don't want him in the picture.
Okay. So my next question is, you don't get to choose when we have appointed counsel. So if you would like to get your own counsel, that's fine. How long will it take you to get that counsel?
Well, I didn't have no counsel then, the last court did.
So it's a misdemeanor. So the court automatically appoints counsel. We have something called house counsel who appears on that day. It may be a different person every single time. If you want the same person, you can have Mr. Pernicano at this point in time, or you can try and retain your own counsel. That's why I say, or you can just use whoever's there on house counsel day. We have house counsel available every single court hearing. So it's always somebody in place every single court hearing to help you and navigate through whatever terms and conditions have been offered at that point in time.
Right. So the house counsel was here before the last court day?
Yes, well, they're always here on the court date. I never know who's going to be in the morning, but there's always counsel provided because these are misdemeanors. So we want to make sure that you're knowledgeable about all of the things that take place. Okay. So is that how you want to move forward?
Yeah, I'd rather get another house counsel.
Okay, all right. And then
so is that going to be another day or is it going to be today?
It's going to be, well, you can talk to the house counsel for today if you would like.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
All right. At this time, Attorney Pernicano, it seems like there has been a breakdown in communication, so I will release you from this case. I appreciate you being here today. You are all set to go. We'll have him talk to the house counsel who's provided for the court today. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great week. You
too. Thank you. All right. Go ahead. Can you leave us his phone number, and then they may need to call you on the phone to talk to you before we call it on the record inside court. Okay.
Vincent Williams.
Is it Surrey or what the house?
It was Zaretti and
Dillard.
Yeah. Hey, Madam Clerk,
yes.
could you run an SOS on Latanya Young and let me know if her license is good?
Yes, Latanya Young. Yes.
Yeah, she's at 8:30.
Right. Okay, hold on 1 second.
Mr. Worthy, press *6 on your phone.
Yes.
I see house counsel was in there talking to you. Do you want to go back there and talk to him, or you want to just do your matter on the record and get the new date?
Say that again.
I said I saw someone was in the court, was in your room talking to you. Do you want to continue to talk to them, or do you want to do your matter on the record? I know you were representing yourself last time. How do you want to proceed?
The
DA, somebody I had talked to, and they just now sent me the discovery that I asked for. So
Okay,
I can't
they
get
sent you the discovery. Okay, so I got that portion of it, because you sent them a different email address, so they got your right email address, and you just got it, right?
yes, they got a right
You need to
email.
review it, right?
I can't hear you say that again.
I sure can. I said you need to review it, right?
Sure. Yes.
Okay. Do you still plan on representing yourself? Because there was an attorney in there with you, but do you still want to represent yourself?
Yes, I do.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna call this and give you another day. How long do you need to review this information that was given to you, Mr. Worthy?
6 months.
Mr. Worthy, I'm not putting it out 6 months. I can give you until
Month.
October 13th. How about that? That gives you a couple of months.
I said next month. I ain't said.
Oh, next month. I thought you said 6 months. I'm all like, you don't need no 6 months, Mr. Worthy. Okay. I got you, Mr. Worthy. Sorry, that was a miss here on my behalf, okay?
No problem.
Okay. So today is the 21st. What's September 20th? Oh, no, I can't put no more stuff on the day. Okay, all right. All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Reginald Tyrone Worthy. This is ticket SP 1348694, SP 1348856, SP 1218000, SP 1362290. These matters are here today for an adjourned pretrial in these particular matters. Mr. Worthy, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Reginald Tyrone, family of Worthy Estate.
All right, and it's my understanding, sir, that you still would like to represent yourself at this time?
Yeah.
All right, and correct me if I'm wrong, Mr. Worthy, you did reach out for some discovery the last time we were here. The APA believed that she had given that to you. You had not yet received it, but she was able to send it out to you today. Are you on receipt of it now, Mr. Worthy?
Yes, she just sent it to me.
Okay, all right, so you need some time to review it. Is that my understanding, sir?
Yes.
All right, so how about September 29th? Does that work for you, Mr. Worthy?
September 29th, fine.
Okay, September 29th, I'll do it at 8:30 a.m. I'll set your bond. It will continue at $0, okay? And that should give you enough time to look over all the information in these particular matters. All right, bonds continue. We'll see you then, Mr. Worthy. Thank you.
No problem.
All right, have a good day.
Mr. Williams? Vincent Williams? Vincent Williams.
Attorney Zarani? Okay,
Yes, I'm here.
okay, her license is valid. Latanya Young?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good morning, Attorney Zarani.
Morning, Judge. How are you?
Good. How are you doing today?
Doing good, thanks. I like your flowers there. That's a good variety.
Thank you. I like them too. I got them from the Maya. Le Maya.
Oh, yeah,
They do good flowers there.
yeah, good, good. Yeah, that's nice.
Thank you.
We're ready on a few different ones, Judge, whenever you're ready.
All right, just give me 1 minute. I'll be calling you for a second.
Okay, yeah, no problem. Thanks.
Walter Whitner?
Pardon me?
Walter, are you Walter Whitner?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Whitner, I have you checked in. Mr. Whitner, is it possible that you can put on a different shirt besides a white t-shirt?
Sure.
All right, I have you checked in. Please put your phone on.
Please put me. Okay, what will you say?
Put your phone on mute for me, please.
Okay.
Trayvon Williams?
Yes,
Williams, did you speak with an attorney?
yes. I spoke with my attorney and the one that came in the room.
Mr. Whitner?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room so that you can speak with the attorney.
Okay.
When you're finished, come back to the courtroom. Press leave on your device. It'll bring you back to the courtroom, and then you'll automatically be placed into a waiting room until the judge is ready to hear your case.
Okay.
Ms. Wheeler?
Yes, I talked to my attorney, but my phone ended up going dead, so I had to rejoin with you guys.
Okay, no problem. I'm gonna put you in a waiting room now.
Okay, thank you.
Did you and your attorney decide what you're gonna do about your case today? Had you finished talking with him?
Yeah, I've been finished talking with him. He said that he was gonna move me to the but the phone had died.
Okay, you're gonna go to a waiting room now. Mr. Zaranick? Walter Whitner in room 15 is asking for help. Could you find out what he needs?
Okay, I can go do that one. Yep,
Number 15.
okay, thank you.
Attorney Dillard,
Yes, Your Honor.
I have someone who's present in person that I need you to talk to. Are you able to
Yes.
call them on the phone? If so, I'm gonna give you their phone number in chat.
Okay, if that's the person that was in 11,
No, I took care, no, that's not.
Right.
It's somebody who didn't even sign in at all. His name is Keith Williams. He had counsel, but, he didn't want to talk to them. He has 3 tickets.
okay, Mr. Kashawn Williams in breakout room 7.
So don't worry about him. He has counsel appointed to him. That's,
Okay.
Thomasine Jefferson, and she came in this morning, so he has a trial. It's somebody else.
Okay,
So
give me the name, give me the name, let me have the
Okay.
name again.
Keith Williams,
Okay,
and I'm sending his phone number in chat right now because we're live online. So I don't want to put his phone number out there.
okay, I'm ready to have breakout room 3 and breakout room 9 called out.
Okay.
It'll be just 9, Mr. Terry Williams will be a dismissal. And the breakout room 3, Ms. Marjorie Williams, the ticket ending in 8191 is being amended to blockading traffic, and all other matters are being dismissed based on compliance and valid documentation.
Okay. All right. So I'll call them and put them in the waiting room. And then
Mr. Dillard, Mr.
Yes.
Future defendants, would you please ask them to come out to the courtroom? When you finish speaking, the case is ready for the judge to hear.
Okay. Okay.
moving them right now, Attorney Dillard, okay?
Okay, you want me to move them, huh? Okay, hold on I'll try to get them out of here.
No, the judge, this time, Mr. Dillard, asking in the future, if you could just ask them to come out, then we won't have to bring them out. She won't have to bring.
I asked one, but she was having difficulty.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, but I'll try to move them. I got another computer here that I just was able to log in on. So let me see what I can do. Let's see. I'm not having it easier. This is a new system that I just got. It'll be a lot easier, Your Honor, if you were able to bring them out.
That's why.
At least for, oh wait, hold on. I'm starting to get a little movement here.
Don't worry about it, Mr. Dillard. We got it. Just ask them to leave themselves when you finish talking to them next time, okay?
Oh, no problem. When you're ready to call, let me know. I'll go and talk to Mr. Williams, and he's in the courthouse. Okay. You never gave me Mr. Williams' telephone number. Oh, you said go to the breakout room. Hold on one second. Chat. Yeah, and I'm looking in chat. I don't see a number for Mr. Williams. Oh, I take that back. I've got to look at the top. I got that information. I got that information. Thank you, Yana.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Okay.
All right, let me see. I'll get one more officer out here. I have 2 of y'all. last officer out here. I get him, then I move him to a different room. Son of a bitch. Mr. Williams, please turn on your camera for me.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right, now calling the matters of the people versus Keyshawn Liddell Williams. This is ticket SP 1447940. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Count 2, expired plates. Count 3, failed to immediately disclose to officer that he or she was carrying a weapon. Ticket SP 1447943. Count 1, drive through private property or alley to avoid signal. Count 2, loud music from motor vehicle more than 10 feet away. Ticket SP 1447981. Disobey lawful orders of a police officer. Ticket SP 1437317. Count 1, throw, dump, place, or deposit litter from a vehicle to a public or private property. Ticket number SP 148554441. One count, stop, street, or intersection, failed to stop. Ticket number SP 148555471. No proof of insurance. And ticket SP, where'd you go, Mr. Williams?
I'm right here,
You
sorry.
part for hearing today? I got to read all these tickets. I would like to see why I'm reading all these tickets.
I'm sorry about that.
All right, SP 1481501, violation of the basic speed law and/or drove in an unsafe manner. Appearances for the record, starting with the city attorney, please.
Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322, and I have the issuing officers present.
All right.
Good morning, Your Honor. Thomas St. Jefferson on behalf of Keyshawn Williams on all matters.
All right, thank you. And Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Sean Williams.
All right, I see we have Officer Eli here. Officer Eli, can you state your name for the record?
Yes, ma'am. Officer Ely Officer Brandon Ely from Detroit Police Department, 12th Precinct.
Thank you, Mr. Ely. I'm sorry, Officer Ely. And then we also have Officer Brown, who I can't seem to get out of the breakout rooms. Officer Brown, as well as Officer Irriton, side in today. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial. I did have a discussion with the officers as well as with sister counsel about the history of this matter. And at this time, we are asking for a brief one-time adjournment. We would ask for at least 3 weeks to exchange discovery. There might be some discovery the officers have in their personal possession. Some might be on the city's court system. And also in the interim, sister counsel will submit a deviation request to a supervisor. We will have a settlement conference.
All right, we're gonna have more than that because my next bench trials aren't until October 31st.
Perfect, thank you.
Does that work for you, Attorney Jefferson? Look in your calendar and let me know. If not, we'll push it out to November. That's when my next dates are.
Madam Clerk?
1 second, Attorney Zaranick.
Okay.
October 31st.
Yes. Tight. If that doesn't work, let me know, Attorney. If it doesn't work, let me know.
I know, I'll make it work.
No. If you need the next week or the next day or something like that, let me know.
No, because I don't believe that my trial is going on that. From the jury.
No, and then it's gonna go.
No,
So
it's a C&C case, so it's not gonna go. You know. Now, he looked at 25 years, so he's not going.
You sure?
I'm positive.
You know I'll give you more time.
I know.
You don't wanna make it that following week, just in case? No, it looks just as bad.
Yeah.
Okay.
What time are we talking?
9 a.m. Does that work? Or the week before better or no? She looked at me like, no, not the week before either. That's, okay.
Well, let's see, you said the week before.
What does that look like? Is that any better?
Are you talking about, what day you talking about the week before?
What days do you have available that week before? I hate to run into a trial potentially, even though you said it's not gonna go.
I actually think you that 23rd is that.
Let me see, what is October 23rd? 23rd. Okay, October 23rd. Let's do October 23rd. Attorney Jefferson, I understand you say it's not gonna go, but I just hate to run the risk, because then, yeah. And CSC will take precedence over this case any day, so.
We do reach a resolution, Your Honor, we'll inform the court.
Okay, okay, cool. I just want to give y'all plenty of time so nobody feels super rushed and pressured in this. Okay? All right, Mr. Williams, they're trying to work something out. Your attorney needs to submit a deviation letter to the office for the city so that they can try and work something out on your behalf. So just be patient while she's working on your behalf. Huh?
Go ahead.
No, I said she's working. You had something to say?
I said, so I have to wait till, like, when is this gonna be over?
October 23rd is our next day.
And we might get it done.
So what do we resolve today?
I'll call you when I get out, okay?
She said she'll call you.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
All right.
So I gotta wait till October now.
Yes, that's how my docket looks right now. It's real tight, sorry.
But
But
we get something worked out, we can come in sooner and put it on the record.
we'll see what they can do, okay?
This is good. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, there's nothing further. Everybody be safe and be careful, okay?
All right, Judge, thank you.
All right, thank you, officers. Thank you, Officer Brown. I see you made it out. I've been trying to get you out, but I'm moving all kinds of, I apologize. Be
Yes,
safe
ma'am.
out there. Okay, you too.
Can we help you?
you? Get out of here.
Keyshawn, what?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to come back to this courtroom.
Okay.
Your Honor, did you call me?
I didn't. If I did, it was by accident. I did not.
Yes, Your Honor, I apologize. Did you call me?
I did not. I don't think I did. If I
Okay,
did, it
all
was
right,
by accident. So
okay. Thank you very much.
you're welcome. Attorney Zaranek, you needed something. Did you? I'm sorry. I stopped you because I was in the middle of a hearing.
That's okay, Jen. I was gonna ask Madam Clerk if, there's a defendant, Walter Whitner, Whitner. There's 3 matters on the docket. He said he may have some other tickets out there. So I was just gonna see if we could have the other tickets brought up, because they were gonna be dismissed anyway.
Okay, she will when she pulls.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Let me see who I have right now. We can start on some folks though, definitely. Okay.
Okay, I'm ready when you're ready, Judge.
Okay. Did somebody talk to Travion Williams already? What is something on there? Attorney Martell?
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Good morning. I'm fine. How are you doing?
Very good, thank you. My apologies for the delay. I had an exam in 36th District Court, so my humble apologies.
Oh, somebody may have spoken to Mr. Williams already. I don't think he told us that he had counsel. Did someone speak to Mr. Williams, Trayvon Williams?
I think I had Trayvon Williams, Judge, and, oh, well, I did, but he had a retained attorney, Your Honor.
Fantastic. All right, so he's here. You need to talk to your client?
No, Judge, I've talked to my client, Judge. My client has a number of cases before the court. My goal and hope is that we can I can have him complete a defensive driving course and come back in maybe 3 weeks and resolve all these matters through negotiations.
He only has the 2 things on the docket. But he may have some other stuff.
Typically, we pull everything, so that's why I'm all like, he may just have these 2 matters.
Okay, Judge, and forgive me then, because you know, in looking at his register of actions, there were a number of open cases up throughout this month. I do know of the loitering case.
Oh, he has defaults too, but the defaults didn't make my docket. Where were the defaults from? Just click on one. They are. Oh, from 2017 and 2021. They didn't make my docket because they're older. Right. So I only have the 2 misdemeanors that made the docket for 2022.
And Judge, if I may ask, what are the allegations for the 2 misdemeanors?
It's drove while license suspended and no insurance misdemeanor.
Okay. And specifically, Judge, I represent Mr. I know my appearance has only been filed on the loitering misdemeanor, to which he was just recently he recently was charged with that. It doesn't sound like it's up to date. I will, you know, I will represent.
Do you have a first? Let me get your P number.
85051.
And then, do you have a case number for his new case yet, or no?
I do not in front of me, Judge. My humble apologies, but I will get it to the court. That's the one to which my appearance has been filed. I do intend on filing my appearance on all of his matters. And again, seeking a global resolution of sorts. My request will be sorry.
I'm gonna do October 13th. Does that work in your calendar?
It does, Judge. Thank you.
Let me bring him in. Mr. Williams?
Yes, sir.
All right, can I see your face, please? Thank you. Uh-oh, yeah, bad reception. Now calling the matter of the people versus Trayvon Pierre Williams. This is ticket SP 1407666. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Thank you, Judge. Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. May it please this most honorable court. Edward Martell, P85051, on behalf of Trayvon Williams. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Trayvon Pierre Williams.
All right, it's my understanding, counsel, that he has an additional loitering case that's coming through, but it hasn't made it to my courtroom yet. And you would like this matter to be adjourned so that we can find some type of global resolution. Is that correct, sir?
That is correct, Judge. And in the interim, I will be having Mr. Williams complete a defensive driving course as well.
Fantastic. All right, so I'll set this matter for October 13th. Look in your calendar, make sure that's okay. I know it should be inputted into the system by that point in time. We'll pull it if it's a further court date and bring it in with this case, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. I'll set his bond at $0 personal. All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, Mr. Williams and Attorney Martell. Y'all have a great day.
You as well, Judge. Have a great day.
All right, thank you. I will. All right, have a good day, Mr. Williams. I'm bringing in Andre Yancey. Andre, that's Andre, sorry. Oh, are we ready on Mr. Williams too?
I've got a couple Williams, Judge. I think they're ready.
It's the real Williams, the
Yancey's
trial
ready.
today.
Yeah, Darrell Williams is ready, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Williams, I'm not ready yet on you, so I'm gonna put you in the waiting room, okay? Almost. All right, Andre Yancey.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, are you sitting up for me for court today, sir?
Yes,
There you
ma'am.
go. Thank you very much.
So I had to put my
Now
phone
go-
on charger.
It's okay, I got you, Mr. Yancey. Now calling the matters of the people versus Andre Yancey, Webster Yancey. This is ticket SP 1337852. Count 2 is drove while license suspended. He also has a few tickets, one ticket in warrant status, that's U ticket 5964921, violation of the firearms ordinance. And tickets SP 1446689, 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. And ticket SP 1446694, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Yancey. Please state your name, sir.
Andre Yancey.
Judge, we only had 2 on the docket that we dealt with.
I know.
So
Sorry, he has an open violation of firearm ordinance that's a warrant status. So how do you want to go about it?
I'm willing to dismiss that one, Judge.
I know you're willing to dismiss it, but I'm not at this time. Mr. Yancey, when you did come to court for one of your cases, it just hangs out there, okay? So now
But
you
the
gotta talk
problem
to
with that is I never received no court date for that and never came to the mail.
It's okay. I'm just gonna, your counsel, he's gonna have to talk to you for a moment, okay? So we're gonna see if we can resolve it today. If not, he's gonna give you instructions on what we potentially could do, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we'll just I'll put him back in the breakout room. Mr. Yancey, I'm gonna put you in room 6, okay? He's gonna ask you to join that room.
Okay.
All right.
Is there just that third ticket, Judge?
So and it's a speeding ticket that he got with one of the other tickets, 16 to 20 miles over. It went into default, but it's a 2023. So I'll put it with his ticket. It's a drove while license suspended.
Okay, because we were, the speeding and the suspended, we did work out a deal on.
Okay, all right. His other suspended, he actually paid 2 civil infractions with that one. So we can take care of that, okay?
Okay. So he
All
just
right,
has
and
the firearms one?
The firearms in that one were in warrant status, and so I can take care of the suspended driver's license. I just can't take it in violation of ordinance on fire.
Okay, I'll talk to Alexa.
Okay, all right. Oh, Marjay Willis, I think that's Attorney Dillard.
Okay.
Marjay Willis?
Yes.
Okay. Attorney Dillard, are you there? Attorney Dillard?
If it's ready, Judge, I can stand in.
Okay, so I think it's blockading that. So is that correct? Is that what you discussed, Ms. Willis?
Yes.
Okay, now calling the matters of the people versus Marjay Chanel Willis. This is ticket SP 1446928. One count drove while license suspended. Also calling ticket number SP 1446819, 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Count 2, failed to signal. Count 3, failed to use seatbelt assembly system effectively. Ticket number SP 1446927, 1 count no proof of insurance, 1 count no receipt or unsigned registration. Count 3 of that ticket is passed on right. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Bob Zaranick for the defendant, Your Honor. Please state your name, ma'am.
Marge A. Willis.
Judge, there's an offer. She'd like to take advantage of the offer.
Absolutely. At this time, the offer, and my understanding is that it's to block gating. Is that correct, Ms. Willis?
Yes, I believe.
Okay. And counsel, you stipulate that she has proper documentation on the remaining tickets. That's what you were able to present to him today, Ms. Willis? All right. So at this time, counsel, do you stipulate to the 4 corners of the ticket in order to establish a factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended count, blockading. The remaining counts called on this record will be dismissed. Ma'am, that fine is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that going to be enough for you, ma'am?
I can try. I don't have a job right now, but I will figure it out.
How many days do you need to try and ask and get that taken care of?
About 20 days.
Okay, how about I give you 30? Is that enough?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll have to do no later than September 21st, okay?
Thank you.
You're very welcome. All right, if there's nothing further, I hope good luck with finding a job, okay?
Thank you. How do I pay the fine?
Physically come down to 36th District Court, or you can go online to 36thdistrictcourt.org and pay it there.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, have a good day, okay, ma'am?
You too.
I will, thank you. Do you have Latanya Young, counsel?
I do.
I don't see her anymore.
Yes.
Yeah. I did see her for a while. Who else did you have?
We're ready on Latanya Young, Judge.
I know I don't see her in the waiting room anymore, though.
Oh.
I did see her earlier.
We are ready on Janiyah Wheeler.
Okay, I'll bring in Ms. Wheeler. You know, she has a lot of tickets. She has some in warrant status, too.
Yeah, we're gonna get another date, Judge.
Okay. Ms. Wheeler?
Yay.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Janiyah Wheeler. This is ticket SP 1073762. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license. Count 2, improper place. Count 3, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Ticket SP 1252404. Open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Ticket SP 1472147. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, no insurance. In default is expired plates. I'll call it on this record today. Ticket SP 460954. Drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number SP 483483. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Ticket SP 860655. Count 1, failed to display. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 9085558. Supply false information or ID to officer. Count 2, give false information regarding accident. Ticket SP 940821. Drove while license not valid. Ticket SS 3974563. Drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied. Ticket 341150. Count 1, no insurance, never ever acquired. Ticket SP, nope, not an SP ticket, I'm sorry. 349452. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 708593. Unregistered motor vehicle. Ticket 482171. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, travel to or from unpaid, unapproved place. Oh, her license must have been, okay. Unapproved place. Ticket number and warrant status, I have 3 tickets and warrant status. Nope, 2 and some defaults. I'll call them. Ticket SP 1356307. Count one, drove while license suspended, repeat offender. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. The tickets in default are SP 1356304. Count one, expired plates. Count two, pass on right. Count three, failed to display a valid operator's license. That's in warrant status. The ticket SP 1371662. Count one, passenger failed to use seatbelt assembly system. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
I'm gonna take my time, Judge, to give you a minute to catch your breath.
Okay, I appreciate it.
Bob Zarani for Miss Wheeler. State your name, Miss Wheeler.
Janae Cheyenne Willer.
Thank you. Judge, the offer in talking with the city attorney was if Miss Wheeler completes the driver improvement course, she will reduce this down to like 4 no-point tickets. So I did email Miss Wheeler over the various driver improvement courses that are available through the Secretary of State. I know she got them. She wants to take advantage of that offer. So we'd like a return date, Judge, maybe for a pretrial. Today she's here for arraignment on the bench warrant. So we're asking that all the warrants be set aside and she be given a personal bond and a pretrial date to return with her completion certificate.
Right. Ms. Wheeler, did you end up paying any type of money to the court at this time or no?
No, I did come up there to get on a payment plan.
Okay, all right, so I'm gonna enter, I just want to make sure. So her bond will be set at $0 personal on these cases that I called on this record today. I'm gonna set a pretrial for you on October 13th. That gives you plenty of time to take that class, okay?
Okay.
October 13th is when I'll see you back for your pretrial. So hopefully you can get those 4 points. Attorney Zarani, I don't always have the offers. Could you send me the offer so via email or so I can write it down on the file and kind of know so that she can take advantage of that the next time she comes to court?
Okay.
I will, Judge.
Thank you. All right. If there's nothing further, Ms. Wheeler, he'll send me that information so I can have it written in the file so I can know that that's kind of what y'all agreed to the last time you were, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, ma'am. Come back, please.
I am.
Okay. Because you see now, when you don't come back, that don't mean they disappear.
Okay, I'm coming back.
All right, there's nothing further. You are all set, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Have a good day. Ron Watts. Somebody talk to Mr. Watts?
I think he came out of the waiting room, the breakout room to go in the waiting room.
Okay. Let me bring in Walter Whitner.
Brought somebody in from the wait.
Oh, that's fine. I was about to say we can do him first and try or them and try and figure out who it is.
Hello? Hello?
1 second, Mr. Whitner, okay?
Okay.
Hey, ma'am, in the yellow top, what's your name, please? Well, you were
Latanya Young.
yeah, Ms. Young, have you spoken with an attorney?
Yes, I did.
Yes, she has. I keep her out here. Attorney Zeranek, this was one of your people, right? I thought it may be her.
Which one was it, Judge?
Latanya Young, because you had asked for her license.
Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Latanya LaJean Young. This is ticket SP 1320334. Count 1, drove while license suspended. No, drove while license not valid. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket SP 1320302. Improper right turn. That may not have made the docket. That's okay, Attorney Zeranek. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Bob Zeranek for Miss Young. Please state your name, ma'am.
Latanya Young.
Judge, so these matters up for pretrial today. The offer was on 341 and 342. They were both going to be dismissed for valid documentation.
And then proper right turn. Did that make the docket or no?
No.
Okay. All right. Turn around. You have a motion at this time, counsel.
Based on the fact that she provided valid documentation on the other matters, Judge, we'd ask for a dismissal.
This time the court's gonna grant that. Miss Young, you had an improper right turn. You probably got the points on your license already, but we're gonna dismiss it today because you were able to provide the other documentation. Okay, so it may take some time, but we'll dismiss that because you provided the other documentation. Okay, don't turn. Read all signs at all times, please.
Yes.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set, Ms. Young. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Walter Whitner.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Now calling the matters of the people versus Walter Malik Whitner. This is ticket SP 893845. Count 1, drove while license not valid. Ticket number SP 950256, drove while license not valid or improper. And ticket number 412972. 1 count, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Bob Zeranek for Mr. Whitner. Please state your name, sir.
Walter Whitner.
Judge, he's here for arraignment on the bench form, as that the warrants be set aside and a personal bond be put in place. The offer, Judge, is to dismiss any tickets that he has pending, except for 1 improper license ticket. So any of those 3 that are on the docket, and dismiss any other tickets he may have that are not on the docket, along with the other 2, and get credit for time served.
Yep, that's what I was gonna ask. He had some time served in this, so.
Yeah, he had something, Judge. I've been doing this for 100 years. Never seen, and he showed me a proof of incarceration. He's been locked up since September of 2019 in the county jail. 3 years.
For these tickets
He
alone,
just got out. Pardon?
for these tickets,
Yeah, they came from before that.
Okay. All right. So of course
So
he's gonna
he's
get
been
time
locked up.
served.
Yeah, okay.
He does, so you have some tickets that are called in default, Mr. Whitner. They're older tickets, I think some of these tickets might have been with this one. You say you've been locked up for 3 years on these tickets? Oh.
He has, Judge. He's been locked. He just got out August 30th after 3 years in the county and he's on tether.
Do you have any other matters pending? I'm sorry to be so intrusive, Mr. Whitner. I just need to know, do you have any other matters pending? Or was it just
Yeah.
these cases?
For tickets, just these cases. I have other matters pending in a different
Felony.
court. Yeah,
Okay, all right. All right, I will give you time served on these matters. You do have some cases that are in disposition though, okay?
what does that mean?
That means that they went into default. The only 3 cases I can deal with are 8938461, 2, and 3. Because that looks like that fell with one of the tickets that you had. I can take care of those, but you have some other tickets, some failure to disclose a CCW, no proof of insurance, and insufficient defective lights that you'll need to take care of, okay?
Okay,
I'm going to take care of those other 3 tickets though. I'm going to dismiss them at this time. They pinned it with this one as well, okay?
okay,
All right. So it's just those 3 tickets, that you need to take care of. The rest of the tickets I'll dismiss, okay?
okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. What's his name?
Is that what it's supposed to be?
It may be. I can bring me and see. Jamise Whitfield. Who has that?
Ready, Your Honor.
Okay. I don't know where to turn it to. Okay. Let me try to stretch it out and get it. Jamise Whitfield. Miss Whitfield? Unmute yourself for me. You know how to do that, ma'am?
I got it.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Jamise Antoinette Whitfield. This is ticket number SP 1445395. Failed to properly secure passenger child. Also ticket SP 14453. I know attorneys erratic. I can see you already. 57. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Count 3, failed to use seatbelt assembly system effectively. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Bob Zarnik for Miss Whitfield. Please state your name, ma'am.
Your name is
Miss
Whitfield.
Whitfield.
Oh, Jamise Whitfield.
Thank you. Judge, the offer is to plead to reduce charge on a 3572 ticket to a limited access 1 to 5 everything else will be dismissed. She wants to
Alright.
take that offer.
All right, is that correct, ma'am? You want to take advantage of that offer?
Yes.
All right, counsel, do you stipulate to the four corners of the ticket to establish a factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts will be dismissed.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of limited access, 1 to 5 miles over posted speed. The remaining counts will be dismissed. Ma'am, you gotta make sure you secure your child in the car.
She took it off on her own, I guess, while, I can't see in the back of me.
I know. Listen, I have a nephew who likes to take off seatbelts too sometimes. It's magical. They like little artists, okay? But just make sure you check with that and make sure, okay? Because we hate for any accidents to happen. And explain to her why it's so important to wear your seatbelt, okay?
Oh, I have.
You lead by example.
Yes, I do.
Hear me?
I do.
Lead by example. Okay, the fine for that is $125. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that gonna be enough time?
No, I literally just lost my job like a week ago.
Sorry. All right, I have to give some date for this to be due though. So how long do you need?
Well, I'm in the process of looking for a job right now. I do got an interview coming up Wednesday, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna get the job or not, hopefully.
October 23rd.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. All right. So that gives you're gonna get the job on Wednesday, and then it gives you a little time if you need to catch up. But October 23rd, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. All right. Good luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will. Thank you. Ready on Darrell Williams?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I got all these officers. Let me see if I can come out. Mr. Williams? Okay.
Yes.
Now calling the matter of People versus Darrell Deshaun Russell Williams. This is ticket SP 110304, failed to display. Ticket SP 13-16624, 1 count prohibited left turn, count 2, no proof of insurance, count 3, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number SX 3911403, count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, open intoxicants in motor vehicle driver. Count 3, failed to yield to a pedestrian. Ticket SP 1373189. Count 1, drove while unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 1432668. Count 2. No proof of insurance. Count 3 of that same ticket is disregard signal, red or amber. Ticket SX 39648941. Limited access, 31 miles plus over speed limit. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
I'm Zaranick for Mr. Williams. Please state your name, sir.
Darrell Williams.
Judge, there is an offer on this matter. They're all up for trial today, Judge. Several officers are here and did appear. There is an offer for Mr. Williams to plead, I'm thinking on the 1891 ticket to improper plate, and on the 4032 ticket to open alcohol as a passenger. Everything else will be dismissed.
All right, so I got 1 improper plate on count 2.
Yes.
And then 1 open intoxicants motor vehicle passenger. Is that correct?
Correct.
All right, Sir, if you want that offer, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. For the record, I do have Officer Ratliff, Officer Robert Johnson, Trooper Kaiser, and Lieutenant Barr, who all appear for court today for your matter, Mr. Williams, okay? All right, did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. I'm going to first take you back to the date of June the 9th of 2021. Were you at that time driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of Conant and Nevada streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you have open alcohol in that motor vehicle, sir?
Yes.
All right, and also I want to take your attention to the date of October 7th of 2022. At that time, sir, were you driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of Mount Elliott and East 7 Mile in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, did you not have any car insurance on it at the time?
I did not.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea on one count improper plates, one count open intoxicants in a motor vehicle. All right. The fine for the improper plates is $200, sir. The fine for the open alcohol in the motor vehicle is $250. How long will you need to pay that? 30, 60 days?
60 days.
All right, so I'll make it due no later than October 23rd, 2023, okay?
Yes.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir.
I have a
you're all
question
set. Yes.
because I have a matter. It's saying that I'm going to appear in your court tomorrow for 2 more tickets. Is that, yes. Could you see that on the docket or did, because you usually bring everything up at once, but I don't, it's saying that I
Got
have.
2 new tickets?
Yes.
Real Williams. They got some on docket tomorrow.
I just paid them off. I got the black Maserati. They turn around every time, so paid them off.
So they were civil infractions?
Yes, they just same thing.
Then it won't be on my docket if you paid for them. You paid them?
No, I paid prior, but these matters are new.
Oh,
I paid for the tickets prior.
Okay, let me see.
Do you have a case number?
Do you have any case numbers or anything?
Yes, I think I have it right here. The case number is SP 14820621.
Yep, you just got them in July.
Yeah, pulled up like 4 times. This one.
3 of them. We got 3 of them? 3 of them.
Yeah. Sounds like it's this machine.
What's on my afternoon docket?
No insurance.
No insurance.
I can get my insurance after today now because it was showing up to the insurance company. I had points on my license from all these tickets, so I couldn't even get the insurance.
Yeah, I know it would. All right, just come tomorrow afternoon for those tickets. That way we can figure something out, give you some time to get some stuff in order, okay?
Okay,
All right, so we'll see you tomorrow afternoon, okay? But it'll be some additional time so you can try and get some of that stuff in order, okay?
okay, thank you.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Williams. We'll see you tomorrow, okay?
All right.
All right. Thank you, officers. Please stay safe out there, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you. Stay safe, please.
Ticket that you paid.
Okay.
Your
Yeah,
Honor,
Terry,
this is
will you-
attorney.
Yes.
I'm ready on my cases whenever you're ready to call, but my camera, for whatever the reason, is not up. I'm gonna shift over to another piece of equipment.
Okay, well, don't shift yet, because you want me to call or you want me to wait? I just been going. I only got like 3 more people left and the guy in the hallway. I just been going.
Now, I'm ready. If you can call Mr. Keith Williams' case right now, I'd appreciate it. He's here in person.
Okay, yep, I can get Mr. Williams to have him come in. Absolutely.
Okay, he's in here with me, Yana.
Okay, cool. We're gonna go there. Lieutenant Barr, you're all set. Be safe. I tried to get you out the room while we were calling that matter. You're not in the hall anymore? He's with you, Attorney Dillard?
Yes, Your Honor, he's with me.
Physically?
Physically, Your Honor.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Keith Demond Williams. This is ticket SP 1448656. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count 2, open alcohol and a motor vehicle driver. Also calling you ticket 65686623, narcotics and drug related violations. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Joseph Dillard, P37225. On behalf of Mr. Keith Williams, who's sitting next to me, state your name for the record.
Keith Demond Williams.
And you were down on the third floor?
Yes, 337.
Your Honor, if the court recalls his appearance, let that suffice at this time.
Absolutely, and I do recognize his voice, so I know that's Mr. Williams. Thank you. How are we proceeding today, counsel?
Your Honor, we're going to resolve this with a plea. An offer has been extended if he were to plead guilty to open alcohol motor vehicle passenger, that the no ops and the possession of narcotics would be dismissed.
And so you want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please raise your right hand for me, Mr. Williams. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Dillard about your case and about your rights, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything besides this count being lowered in exchange for this plea today?
No, ma'am.
Okay, are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that, Mr. Williams? You understand that, Mr. Williams, that you're going to give up your right to have a bench or a jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir, I want to take your attention back to the date of May 12th of this year, 2023. Were you in a Chrysler vehicle in the area of Fullerton and Mendota Streets in the city of Detroit?
Ma'am.
And was there open alcohol in that motor vehicle at that time, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor, and again, this is amended to passenger.
Yes, it is. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Stipulate the probable cause.
Thank you. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge, open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Sir, my fine is $250. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
For 30 days.
You said what?
Said I can pay it before 30 days.
Okay, all right, so I'll give you until September 21st, 2023, okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so did that work going and talking to him in person, sir?
Yes, it really did.
All right, I knew it did. Okay, I'm glad he was in the building and able to assist you today, okay, Mr. Williams?
Appreciate it, because the other counselor was not the one for me.
I understand, and I was trying to understand, and you weren't giving me a hard time. I just need to know what was going on. But I said, okay, this is fantastic.
Right.
You didn't, okay. All right, thank you, Mr. Williams. You're all set, okay?
One thing, Your Honor, I came in front of you maybe 2 years ago on something like this before, the same thing.
So why you
no
so mad?
Okay.
You gotta do better, Mr. Dillard, okay? I mean, Mr. Dillard, Mr. Williams, you gotta do better. What were you gonna tell me about 2 years ago? What happened though?
Same thing. They said I didn't have my license, which I did.
Do you have your license or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it valid?
Your Honor, he presented a valid license that was presented to the prosecutor's office, and that. But thank you very much, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, Mr. Williams. I don't know what's going on and stuff like that, but just talk to Mr. Dillard about your rights as a person and citizen of the city of Detroit, okay?
Your Honor.
All right. All right.
Your Honor.
All right. Thank you so much.
Your Honor, have you called the case of Marjai Willis as well as Terry Lee Williams?
I have not called Mr. Williams yet.
Could you call that case, Your Honor? That's going to be a dismissal.
Okay, I'm bringing Mr. Williams in. Mr. Yancey, hold on a second, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Terry Williams?
Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matters of the people versus Terry Lee Williams. This is ticket SP 1295363. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SP 1456959. Count 3, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, with respect to the two cases with Mr. Williams, I only was addressing one charge.
Hold on, stop a moment. What's the matter, Sandy?
You asked for appearances. He didn't put his appearance on the record, Mr. Dillard.
Okay, put your appearance on the record for me, please.
Oh, I'm sorry, Joseph Dillard, on behalf of Mr. Williams.
All right, Mr. Williams, please state your name for the record.
Terry Williams.
All right, how are we proceeding, counsel?
Your Honor, it's my understanding that there was just one matter before the court today, and that was the no insurance misdemeanor. I do not have any notice of the other charge.
He has some counts that went into default. Sir, do you have a valid driver's license yet or no?
No, because they had suspended my license and stuff.
Do you have expired plates? Do your plates, are your plates good now?
Yeah, my place is good. I had sent them my documents.
Yeah. License. He has a show cause, because you have a show cause in January. Nope, December the 6th, because you missed the court date.
I know. I just received it in mama mail.
Yes, you did. The defective windshield, expired plates, and drove while license suspended. Since you don't have your license, do you want to plead to a fail to display and I'll dismiss all the tickets?
Yeah.
Okay, please raise your right hand, sir.
Your Honor, again,
I
before
had
doing
7 people on my docket today.
that,
Go ahead.
Your Honor, could I have a list of what the charges are against Mr. Williams? Again, that my docket does not show that all of those tickets. So he's being charged with what charges?
So it was a 2022 case and he had no insurance misdemeanor and he had expired plates that went into default. But if he has the up-to-date plates, then that's fine. This 2023 case, he failed to show for court. So his new court date was gonna be December the 6th. 2 tickets went into default. Defective windshield, as well as expired plates. And then he has the drove while license suspended.
Your Honor, I need to speak with the city attorney.
Okay, make it quick. I was about to say, I'm gonna finish at 11:30, okay?
Okay,
Mr. Williams, I'm gonna put you into Mr.
I would recommend I would recommend that you adjourn this matter and come back on another day where they got all your tickets listed that you can handle on that particular day. Your Honor, I would ask that the tickets that are in default that they be put on the next docket as well. For consideration.
Mr. Williams, you've been waiting a long time today, haven't you?
Yes.
Would you like to resolve this today, or do you want to come back another day? Because my next days aren't until October
Next year?
of this year.
Me, October this year?
Yeah, October this year, right, Mr. Williams?
Man,
I know, but we can try and resolve it today. You've already been here for a while. You want to try and resolve it?
yeah, because I do want to get my license back.
I get it. Okay, let me see what we can do. Okay, let me see if I can get you allowing potentially. Let me see. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
And Your Honor, I have no insurance with the misdemeanor, expired plate, defective windshield. Each of those are civil infractions in default, I believe is what you were saying. And I got a driving while license suspended. That's still active. And I think you said one more.
And I have 2 expired plates. So we'll
So
see
2
if Alexa
expired
will do
plates.
something. Yeah, we'll see if she usually will do something for that, so we can help him move along
Okay.
today. Okay, Mr. Williams.
Your Honor, could you put Mr. Williams back in breakout room number 9? And you say you want to be done with the docket by 11:30?
Mr. I have had, okay, yes. I would, we just move expeditiously, right? Usually I have about 35 people and I would be coming close to an end, Mr. Dillon, just so you know.
I'm just asking for clarification of what the court wanted, Your Honor. Okay, thank you very much.
I want him to be serviced today, so I'll take my time. Mr. Williams, you know how to go back to that breakout room or no?
And that's breakout room number 9. Sir, I would encourage you to come to the breakout room.
Top left part of your phone, hit that. Do you see 3 dots pop up that say breakout room? Just select number 9, okay, for me? We're gonna work this out, Mr. Okay? I got time today, don't you worry, okay?
All right.
Okay.
Your Honor, Ms. Willis, Marjai Willis.
I took care of her already.
Okay, thank you, Anna.
All right. All right, Mr. Yancey, I see you making faces at me.
I ain't made no faces now.
It's all right, Mr. Yancey. All right, there go Attorney Snyder right there. Thank you. Hi. We had a gentleman who had a few extra tickets. His name is Mr. Williams. You already did the one ticket, no insurance, but that one had a ticket that had expired plates that went into default. He has 2 expired plates, 1 defective windshield, and a drive while license suspended that didn't make the docket today. Can we help him out? He's trying to resolve it so he can get his license.
What was my original offer? I just don't remember.
It was to dismiss it because he has insurance now, but they didn't know about those other tickets. I was thinking FTD or allowing if your heart was really in it. He tried. I don't know how.
Yeah, since he did comply, I would do an allowing. I'm fine with that.
Okay, so could you let Attorney Dillard know he's in room number?
I'll send him a text.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it. Mr. Yancey, I'm gonna call your matter, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Recalling the matter of the people versus Andre Yancey. This is ticket number U59649121, violation of firearms. Ticket number SP 1337852, count 2, drove while license suspended. Ticket SP 1446694, drove while license suspended. And ticket number SP 1446689, 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Yancey. Please state your name, sir.
Andre Yancey.
So, Judge, we did have a deal worked out on the 16 to 20 and the driver's license suspended, which were the 941 and the 891 ticket. He was going to have the suspension dismissed and the speeding reduced down to improper plate. And then he had the other ones kind of in warrant status where he did pay the civil infractions with the driving while license suspended ticket. So we are going to ask for that suspension ticket to be dismissed based on him paying the civil infractions. And that would only leave us the firearms case.
And what would you like to do with the firearms case?
Can we set that for a bench trial, Judge?
Oh,
He's gonna get his documents together and bring them in.
all right. So for the other one, he wants to plead to improper plates. So the only one we're setting for a bench trial is the violation of firearms ordinance.
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, sir, if you want that, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hands down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
I talked to him.
Yes, he's an attorney. He may not have told you, but he is, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
I pleaded guilty of your own choice.
Yes.
I pleaded guilty because you are guilty.
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date on or about March 29th of 2023. At that time, were you driving a Nissan vehicle in the area of Greenfield and Verne Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you're driving your vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes. I didn't know at that time, but yes.
Yes. Okay. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Our stipulation for probable cause of the remaining counts.
Yes, thanks, Judge.
All right. So at this time, it's improper plates. Is that correct, Attorney Zaranick?
Yes.
All right. At this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge, improper plate. The remaining counts, with the exception of the U ticket, will be dismissed today. Sir, my fine for this ticket is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
By October, the first of October.
I'll give you October 23rd, just in case, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, on the remaining ticket, I'm gonna set it for a bench trial. You wanna have a trial, a bench trial that's before me as the trier finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, that's gonna be October 31st, Halloween, October 31st at 9 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Judge, is there I'm sorry,
No, go ahead. Who you asking for?
is there a Tequila Williams in the waiting room? Or
Yep, that's the
meeting
next
room?
person I was
Okay,
looking at. Yep.
okay,
I was just
Thank
about to say her name. Like, do you have Tequila Williams?
yeah.
Miss Williams?
Yeah, I don't know what happened, but I can't see y'all. Can y'all see me?
We can. Oh,
Okay.
no. Okay, I can see you now. Yep.
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Tequila Star Williams. This is ticket SX 4203160. One count, operate owner permit, another to violate motor vehicle code. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
I'm Zornick for Miss Williams. Please state your name, ma'am.
Tequila Williams.
Judge, there's just one ticket on the matter, and that was going to be a dismissal based on documentation.
All right. So at this time, the court is going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Thank you for your patience today, Ms. Williams. You're all set. This case is dismissed.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great rest of your day, okay?
You too.
All right. I have a Kwan Watts. I don't know who this is.
I'm just leaving now, or am I waiting?
Yeah, I was gonna say, you all set, Ms. Williams. I know you in that car. You leave,
Okay.
you leave, okay?
Was there a Watts on the docket, Judge? I don't.
It is, but it's not that name. So the only Watts that we saw was Quita, but that maybe they're using their phone. So I want to ask before I dismiss it completely. You know what I'm saying?
I didn't talk to him. I don't know if Joe did.
Okay. Well, I'm trying to bring him in right now and it's struggling. So we'll see.
All right.
Hello.
Did you talk to the attorney, Mr. Williams?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let me see. Why are you smiling? You got a nice smile, but why you over there smiling? Like you know something.
I don't know. I always smile.
Okay, it's all right. It's okay. Don't stop. You don't have to stop smiling because you're in court. I'm just asking. It's almost like you know something I don't know. So.
Probably a blessing coming my way. Something.
Okay, I know that's right. You better claim it right now. I'm just waiting for your attorney to come back in the courtroom, okay?
Okay.
You ready on Mr. Williams, Attorney Dillard?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, cool. Recalling the matters of the people versus Terry Lee Williams. This is ticket SP 1295363. Ticket SP 1456959. These matters were called earlier. We want to try and resolve all the tickets, including the tickets in default. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Joseph Dillard, P 37225. And I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Terry Lee Williams. Mr. Williams, state your name for the record.
Terry Williams.
Your Honor, there's a plea offer in this particular matter. He's going to plead guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to operate his motor vehicle. All other matters are to be dismissed.
All right. Sir, you want to take advantage of that offer today?
Mm-hmm.
Say yes, you gotta use words now while we on here so my court reporter can take the record, okay?
All right, yes.
All right, please raise your right hand for me. Your other right hand.
Oh, I'm tripping.
It's okay. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, Mr. Williams. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Dillard about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea beyond it just being that one count, sir?
Nah.
No?
No.
All right. Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, sir?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today, Mr. Williams?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the day on or about May 13th of 2023. Were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Linwood and Pingree in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And was your license suspended at the time, sir?
To be honest, I think my license got suspended like a day ahead of that because I missed court.
I know. So it was suspended at the time you got stopped.
Yeah.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Johnny.
All right. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Stipulate the probable cause, and those other charges were the defaults were vacated and set aside, Johnny?
That's correct. I'll set aside those tickets and vacate the default judgment and have them as a part of the plea today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. All right, so at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the count of unlicensed, it's amended count, unlicensed, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. We did that, Mr. Williams, so that it will be hopefully easier for you to get back your license. If you do other stuff, yes, it'll make it like, if you do some other tickets, sometimes it makes it hesitate in you being able to get back your license, if you understand what I mean, like it causes extra days. But this should allow you to get your license back. Get your license back, okay?
I'm gonna get it back right now. Like
my fine is $200. How long would that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
Give me 60.
Okay, so that's
But it might be
October
quicker
20.
than that.
That's fine. If you could pay it off sooner, that's fine. But October 23rd sound like a good time?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, all right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, my fault.
It's okay. I know we're so used to saying but my court reporter can't take that down because it's like okay.
Okay, I got you.
All right, Mr. Williams. All right, if there's nothing further, the $200 fine. I took all your tickets out of default, so hopefully this helps. You just had that one ticket allowing the unlicensed driver to drive, okay?
Okay, thank you. I appreciate you.
Of course. I was about to say, we gotta look out for folks, okay, Mr. Williams? Good luck to you, okay?
All right, good luck to you.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
All right.
All right. Let me see if there's anybody else in the waiting room, breakout rooms. If not, I will release you all. Let me make sure though, before I close out the session. What? All right, it doesn't appear that anybody else is in here. I did see that Kewan Watts. Did you talk to him, Attorney Dillard, or no? A Kewan Watts?
I did not.
Yeah, he logged back off. I don't know. He wasn't on the docket for today, but I just want to check with you and make sure you didn't talk to him.
Oh, okay. Is that Mr. Watts?
Yes, did you talk to Mr. Watts or no?
In fact, yes, I did, Your Honor. And he was not on the docket. I didn't see him on the docket.
I didn't either. So what did you tell him? What did you end up telling him? Because I didn't see him.
Well, I told him to, go ahead and handle some of his business and we'll see what's going on, but I didn't see him on the docket.
Okay. All right. All right, I ain't see him either, attorney.
It's a pleasure working with you today, Your Honor.
Same here, same here. I'm kicked off the other device because you got a little feedback. Okay, there it is. It's better now. Same here, Attorney Dillard. Thank you, Attorney Zaranick. Y'all both are all set for this morning,
you.
okay?
Have a good day.
Okay.
Alexa was in here causing trouble like usual, Judge.
As usual, yeah. Yeah.
As usual.
Despite me, you guys got through it.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
No matter how hard I try.
Thank you.
Peace out, y'all. Thank you.
Okay, see y'all later.
Okay.